Hey fam, Nelisa, before the recommitment ceremony, had released a video, right? Asking people whether she should commit or not. But I felt like this was her saying to people, actually, I did recommit to this man. I just want to know where you're at, you know? And on that video, she also praised Khoza for being a great husband to her. And she's also saying that during that mess with Sponono, this man apologized to her and told her everything. Even went an extra mile and called her parents to apologize for the humiliation and everything, you know, and for disrespecting Nelisa the way he did. Now, let me stop yapping. Take a look and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Guys, let's play judge and jury. Even though God has the final verdict. In any case, guys, you all know Moss. You saw the show last week. You saw what transpired. Guys, I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to leave. And I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to stay. Ring and day. Guys, what my man did was despicable. It was gross misconduct against him no Sisilo begeze ku show. Mawayeka amadoda lento abayenzayo ukuthi they don't fully close umnyango abaphuma kuwe before bevula olandelayo. It's grossly wrong. It's grossly wrong, guys. Mabayeke, look at the mess esikuyo ngoku. With that said, I think there's no question about uthando lwakhe for mna. Absolutely no question about Lona. But what's making me gravitate towards ukumshiya, ndobana I feel as though we're building on a shaky ground, on a shaky foundation. Our start was very messy, and indenza ndingakwazi ukudecide ukuthi what's gonna be best for us. And ndininike inside info ngamnobhuti so that nani eyona decision ibe lula, ne? Okay, ubhuti wa confessa kum before the episode izono zakhe wacela uxolo. That decide ukumxolela and maybe decision yami ufuna ukunijudge nganijudge, it's fine. Also in the episode end, he picked up the phone wafonela abazali bam or rather ifamily yam wabaxalela ukuthi wenze wrong wacela uxolo wa-engage nabo. That's point number one. Point number two, this is a provider. Since meeting him, basically, I do not know ukuthi mali yam ndiyenzani. I don't know. Salary yam. He provides for everything endlini. Also nam uyandi nakekela yabo. Like guys, imali yam nje seyaba yam andisayazi noma ndiyenzani. Ubhuti akaso stratmate. Guys, ubhuti akananyawo elirhawuzelelayo elithi hamba uye banganini, hamba uye bumnandini. Ubhuti akangumntu wobumnandi. Surprise, as much as DJ akabuthanda ubumnandi. He only goes out like in a gig. Kulo gig uphofu ufuna unelise cangwakhe. So I'm not dealing with indoda mna that comes back in the AMs and all of that. I don't have such problems. Or indoda enshiya ebumnandini or kubangani. I don't have such problems. Wenze mna umngani wakhe sihlala phansi ndisele brutalium asaliyeka yakhe sihlale phansi sothi sibukele TV sibhorana kuba siyabhorana. Guys, ubhuti as well, communication yakhe andifuna ukunixokisa. It's on another level. 95% of the time ndiyamazi mna ukuthi umyeni wami uphi, wenzani and why. Uyaripota kubhuti oripotayo, guys. Zange ndimcele uzenzele ngokunokwakhe. Ubhuti lo ngumuntu othi if I tell him that bhuti I don't like 1 2 3 4, he fixes it immediately almost, because he knows ukuthi a happy wife equals a happy marriage. Yes, there's a saying in Xhosa ethi umuntu unesiphatho bhuthemba, guys. Oh guys, one last thing ne? So I never lost myself in the relationship or marriage. I stayed true to myself, and true to myself is uNelisa Mtakathixo, uNelisa prayer warrior. Sana ubhutiza unjoinile. Okay, fine. At first bendiloko ndimncanga ngoku nguye othi nkata mina phansi edolweni asithandaze. So it's what I've always wanted. a union based on God. Now, this is the funny part of everything. It's like, ubumbogoto kunelisa out the door. Like ndingumatefa andimtefile guys ukuthi abantu sisono funeke ndibanjwe for that. Angisakwazi ukuvula anything, angisakwazi ukulifta anything, angisakwazi kwenza anything funeka yena yenze. And I think he enjoys it. But guys, here's a secret. Akadef guys, akakwazi ukulala ngaphandle kwami. Even when I've got work, like when I want to work till late, I must get into bed first. Naye ndimbambe isikhatlishe, he falls asleep, then I sneak out and then uzolala.